This short guide answers the query how to buy shares of Whitehaven Coal Limited and shows the practical steps. Whitehaven Coal is an Australian coal miner listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker WHC.ASX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and to add funds before trading. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker WHC.ASX to find the company listing. Confirm you select the Whitehaven Coal Limited result traded on CBOE Australia. On the stock page, check the basic company information and view the price chart to confirm it matches WHC.ASX. Make sure the issuer name is Whitehaven Coal Limited before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, select the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order details carefully. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order is executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.